Hey there, little builders. Welcome to Construction Zone Adventures. We're about to dive into the fascinating world of construction. Machines, are you ready to put on your hard hats and join the construction crew?
Yay!
First up, we have the excavator. Look at its big scoop. It's perfect for digging and moving dirt. The excavator is like the construction site superhero, shaping the land for new buildings. Here comes the bulldozer. With its strong blade, the bulldozer pushes and levels the ground. It's like the city's mighty landscaper, preparing the canvas for new adventures. Look up in the sky, it's the crane. The crane has a tall arm and a hook for lifting heavy materials. It's like a giant helping hand, carefully placing things in just the right spot. Rolling onto the scene is the concrete mixer with its rotating drum. The concrete mixer blends and transports concrete to build strong foundations for our city structures. Zooming in with a load of excitement is the dump truck. The dump truck carries and unloads materials like sand and gravel. It's like a heavy-duty transporter, making sure the right materials get where they need to go. Meet the road roller. With its heavy roller, it flattens and smoothens the ground, creating even surfaces for our city streets. It's like the city's road artist, making everything nice and smooth. Here comes the backhoe loader. This versatile vehicle has a digging bucket in the front and a backhoe at the rear. It's like the Swiss Army knife of construction, ready for any task. Our construction zone adventures are in full swing, and these amazing vehicles are the backbone of our growing city. Which construction machine is your favorite? Thanks for joining us on this construction journey, and until next time, keep building and exploring.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.